Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you've not watched any of my videos before, my name is Vasi and I'm a cabin crew based in London, and today I'm on a quick, oh there's a shadow there, look. Today I'm on a quick 4-day trip to San Jose in California, and it is my buddy bid. I'm here with one of my friends who I trained with almost a year ago, and yeah, it's my first time here, so we're just gonna go exploring. We got into San Jose last night about 6 or 7 o'clock in the evening, and I didn't film anything because we didn't do much, so we just went for dinner and then went straight to bed. It is now 8 o'clock, I believe, in the morning, and I've been up since 3 AM just because I can't sleep. It's just typical of me, just hashtag cabin crew, hashtag crew life. But we are going into San Francisco today, so we are taking the train from San Jose into San Francisco. There's 2 different ones, one that goes like really quick and it doesn't stop at so many stations, but we kind of missed the last one, so we're gonna go on the slower ones, which usually takes about 1 hour and 40 minutes, probably 2 hours. But yeah, hope you enjoy it. Let's go. Hello everyone.
Hello.
So some introductions. This is Valentine and Jack. So Val is my buddy bid, and Jack got hold of not home standby, airport standby. And we waiting for the train. The train is here. How many stops do we need to take? 2. 2.
Do you want to see yourself? Do you want to see yourself?
Yeah. Wait, let me zoom in on that.
What,
Wait for my zoom. Yeah. Look at that. It's perfect. So cool. So stage 1 is complete. We managed to get off the first train. Now we kind of lost. We need to find the other station. Do you know where you're going? Because I don't. What? Do you know where you're going?
We're just walking.
Wing it.
Should we ask someone? Maybe not.
No. We're cabin crew.
Yeah,
we're adventurers. We don't need that.
Look, there's more train that side.
Oh, that's
more train.
probably it, yeah. See, we do know where we're going.
We know.
Follow the leader. Come on.
We're like, what are we doing?
You just crossed the train track. How do you feel about that?
What did we just do?
Cross the train track.
Which train track?
That one right there.
This one?
Yeah,
It's
from over
dangerous.
there. That's when you went to straight.
We are living dangerous lives. Don't go anywhere with cabin crew. I mean, except on flights, because then we know.
Then nobody get anywhere.
Get those tickets. We just got on the train after waiting for like 20 minutes. What's that?
Short there. No.
There. And this is a double-decker train. Ooh.
We did ask for that.
Loud noise. Still waiting for that door to close. Yes, so it doesn't ruin my audio anymore. So this is a.
You need to get one of those like speakers.
Oh, you should
Like
just
microphone.
not put the fluff thingy on it.
I want to get
You should put the
But
fluff.
this camera,
That's what
you
I mean,
can't get
that's
the flap on.
If it's really
Yeah, I know.
It's alright. You
But
can
it's
just
fine.
focus
It's
on the
okay.
sound. Anyway, carry on.
So we can't speak. So let's go for it.
Just got onto a double-decker train. You happy about it?
like, so like,
Cool.
That's what it looks like up there.
So there's another level there. Should we take them on it? Should we go on the stairs and show them?
Yeah,
We'll go on the stairs. film other people that's like suing you or something. We also almost missed this train. Close the door. Ruining it, yeah. So tell them what happened. We nearly missed the train. Why? Because they said track 4. Whose fault was it, Val?
The TV sign?
He said track he said track 4 and then this ended up on track 5. So we're next to each other. But yeah. Track 4, right? See?
Someone else was track 4
Yeah.
too.
So it's not just us that's confused. Let's do a quick update. How long have we got until?
Oh, it's been too long.
So it's been so long.
Like an hour and a half.
Just sitting here, and like every other time when I'm in America, I need to go to the toilet, and I don't.
Sorry.
Interruption.
5 hours later.
Anyway, continue.
Finished?
Yeah, that was really important info.
Anyway, so
Why did you
I need a toilet, and I don't know if there's a toilet on this train, and we've been here for ages, and I just want to get off. Should get off. So we still have like, I don't know, 40 minutes to go. It's boring.
Yeah, I'd say like
Excuse me, it's boring. Are we boring you?
Oh no, I mean
That's
the
rude,
ride.
It's so rude, Bessie.
The ride is
That's not what I
amazing.
meant. I love you. We definitely should have taken the baby bullet.
But this one,
but
over
whose fault
here,
is it? His.
She could not.
I was
she
like, oh
She
no.
took so long to get ready.
No, I didn't.
No, you were last night. Who decided? Oh, I can't wake up that early.
We were all awake this early.
What time
this
did you wake
morning
up?
because
I was too. I was
woke
awake
up
from
at
4 a.m. but I was
6:30.
not
What time did I wake up?
4.
3.
No, half
3:30. Yeah.
See? It's not
I
right.
woke up at 4, but I ignored the message.
Oh my god.
This is the
Imagine.
Because I just wanted to sleep a bit longer. Don't judge me, okay?
Did you sleep?
No, it was just. I tried to.
Everyone follow her on Instagram and send her hate messages.
Yes, do it. I'll put
Put a link in the description
put a
below.
link in the description.
Any
below.
attention is better than no attention, okay? No, I'm joking.
No,
Don't send me hate.
honestly though, she's
Oh,
got
I'm so
really,
sorry.
really nice photos on Instagram, so go follow her. She's the best. So quick update. Update number 2. This is update
Number 3. It's like
Number
the
3.
5th update today.
Yeah.
Fifth,
Well,
seventh.
lost track.
So we just checked online, and our flight tomorrow seems to be cancelled, but things can always change. So I don't know what's gonna happen.
Did you check the right flight number? So
Yeah.
I'm gonna check it.
Would you be sad if we was to stay another day?
No.
But I've got
Would you-
plans though. I need to be at uni on Thursday.
Uni, San Jose.
When you put it that way, yes. How do you feel about it? Tell us. Do you want to stay another day or not?
With different people, it'd be perfect.
That's rude.
Everyone go to Valentin's Instagram. He uses Facebook more, but you can go on Instagram and send him
Hate mail.
hate comments. No, don't do that. Cyberbullying is a real thing. You shouldn't do that. Never. It's unacceptable. Hashtag no okay. Anyways, we'll keep you updated, see what's going to happen with that flight.
Hi guys, update number how many now?
100. We're just waiting for
Vassie. He went to the toilet
Yeah.
again. We're finally in San Francisco now.
Yeah.
So what are we gonna do now?
Find some food and coffee.
Yeah.
And he's coming back now.
Yeah,
Awkward. This is supposed to be a surprise.
we
video
didn't
for
want him to see, but
Damn
now he
it.
knows. Oh,
Yeah.
you're cutting my head out of the
Oh,
vlog.
sorry. Because I'm so short.
You
That's
taking
weird.
over?
Yep.
Yeah.
We updated
Where
that.
are we? We did a update from
No smoking, please. Smoking kills you. Don't ever
No,
smoke.
you're ruining the vlog, okay?
We just took an Uber to Pier 39. We're just looking for a place to go for food. What's the time now? It's like
Almost 12?
almost 12, 20 minutes to 12.
I think we're doing good for time.
So we're just gonna get lunch and then are we gonna get a tour bus or what are we gonna do?
Probably get a bike.
Oh, that looks so cool. Wait, let me zoom in.
Exactly, and you said why for that?
Right, okay, where do we go after lunch? We're gonna get on the bus or cycles? We'll have to decide. Anyway, let's go get lunch.
Can you move your thing and move the thing out of the way? Okay, I'm gonna move your water down.
So we finally decided to get, what is this called? Applebee's?
Applebee's.
Forgot. And I've got the grilled chicken breast with veggies and fries. What did you get, Val?
I got barbecue brisket tacos.
Tacos.
And the strawberry lime margarita.
What did you get, Jag?
I got a shrimp salad.
Shrimp salad. I don't know why I took
Thai
that.
shrimp salad, yeah.
Nice. And with like some, what's this called?
That's a
nacho.
artichoke dip.
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah.
Kind of demolished.
Oh,
How do we get to the bridge?
How do we get to the bridge? Like the 100th time.
Are we hijacking the vlog again?
Yeah.
Alright. Vassy pees way too often.
Way too much.
But we're at the Golden Gate Bridge.
We'll take over his vlog because he's obviously not doing a good job.
Yeah, because we're better YouTubers than he is, of course.
We could make our own channel.
Yeah, let's start our own channel against Vassy. Alright, cheers Vassy!
Bye.
So we just got to the Golden Gate Bridge and we're just taking some photos. We're going to go for a walk and enjoy the view. It's kind of windy and also my camera battery is running out, so I might have to just film some more when I get home. But look, so pretty! Hey! Yeah, I'll take some more shots. Hopefully my battery doesn't run out straight away. Still shows 2 lines. I've got my phone as well. Oh, I've got you as well. Yes. It's so just so pretty, and we've got nice weather as well. So
Really nice. It's
cute.
so windy.
We're trying to grab the bridge, but I can't. Oh, I'm on it.
My hand's so on.
I don't understand.
My hand's so not on it.
Why?
Oh,
Why
no,
is it?
anymore.
You're moving at the same time though.
there, look.
Where am I going?
Yeah. Okay.
So we are back to the train station where we started from this morning. Well, not where we started. We're still in San Francisco, the main. I don't know where I left off now.
So we just got back to the train.
Not the
So we're at
original.
the train station in San Francisco, and we've got, how long do we have until next train?
I don't know, like 20 minutes, 25, 20 minutes?
So we've got a bit of time, and
20 minutes,
we might
yeah.
go to Starbucks, get a coffee, maybe a snack, and then we've got 1 hour train ride back to San Jose. We just had the most amazing Uber driver. Tell them.
She was so nice. Claudia?
Cutest, I love
So
her.
nice. Claudia.
Claudia.
Yes. She's travelled everywhere. How many countries did she do?
She has done 117 already.
That
And
was
she wants to do all of
amazing.
them in the world.
She was so
It's really,
inspiring.
really nice.
Yeah.
So, yeah, shout out to Claudia if you're ever watching this.
Hey Claudia.
Hey. Anyways,
Oh, it's white.
I'll see you guys in a bit. Battery's running low, so
White is
I'll
red.
see you soon. Where are we going? That side. Oh, that side. I'm lost.
He's been lost all day.
I'm lost in
Trying to
space.
look for toilets. Trying to look for
Toilets,
food
that's really weird. That's
places.
all he wants, toilet.
Literally, I actually need to go now. Just broke my tripod. Tell us the story, what happened to this?
We were trying to reshape it so that it would work, and then Bassy just snapped it off because he's done with it.
I'm so done.
Done with it, yeah.
So we just got off the baby bullet, that's done. It was such a great experience, wasn't it? Rush hour.
We were on the upper deck.
Upper deck. And now we need to get another one.
2 stops.
2 stops.
Look at his sunburn.
Got a sunburn.
There.
Burn really easily. Did you guys have a great day in
Yeah,
San
I did. Thank you guys for an amazing
Well, you're
day.
hiding behind me. It's a really great day, I
You said
think.
no, what?
She's an idiot.
I think you should leave.
I'll vlog you both.
That's not called a vlog anymore. So we're back to the hotel. These people won't leave my room. It's their hygiene. Jag, what are you doing?
I am messaging back.
Messaging back because you've been away. So what are we doing tonight? We don't know.
I'd like to know.
I'd like to know, but you will never know.
Oh well,
I
they
think
already,
we should get a
had
drink.
dinner. She just messaged me. They had
Oh.
dinner ready at 4 o'clock.
Oh, they had dinner.
Right, 4 o'clock.
So we're on our own.
She said if we go for drinks, let her know. Update.
Okay.
Bassy needs to pee.
This has been the whole theme of the vlog, literally. Me
Yeah.
having to find public toilets and also got sunburn. It's been a great day. Oh, by the way, an update on our cancellation of the flight. It isn't actually cancelled.
We just don't know how to do things properly.
We were just looking at the wrong date. So
I did.
Today's flight did get cancelled, but
Yeah.
not ours, unfortunately.
We're not the lucky ones this
We are
time.
not.
Maybe next time.
Maybe one
You
day.
never know. Tomorrow might get a night. I know.
Yeah, maybe we'll stay over for another night. We never
Be
know.
fun.
Anyway, we'll keep you updated. So it is the next day, and we didn't do much last night. We just went for dinner and then watched some Netflix and went to bed. This morning I had a nice lie-in and went to the gym and then stood by the pool, did some university work, and that was it. Just a chill day really before the flight tonight. I've got a 10-hour and 20 minutes flight. Hopefully with the jet stream might be quicker, and then I've got 3 days off, so just going to university and finishing some assignments. I finally May is my last month, so hopefully I'll be done with that soon, and then I can just focus more on my trips and focus more on vlogging and things like that. I'm gonna end the vlog here. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed going to San Francisco with me, and if you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe because I don't post regularly, so click that notification button so whenever I post a new video you'll get a notification and won't miss out on any of my videos. That's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.